Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to write a composition on the topic of lockdown. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button below, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to our channel Multimedia for more new interesting compositions and stories. So now let's get started. This composition is in English language, but you can check our channel for Hindi and Marathi language, or you can find their links in the description below. Now, let us begin the composition on lockdown in English. This composition consists of 5 parts or paragraphs. First is the introduction, second are the causes of lockdown, third are the negative aspects of lockdown, fourth are the positive aspects of lockdown, and fifth is the conclusion. Let us begin with the first paragraph. We might have heard earlier about the term lockdown in relation to a company or an organization completely shutting down its services. But when an epidemic or an emergency arises, the government decides to impose a lockdown. In such difficult times, people are led to face social, mental, and economic consequences that they have never experienced before. A lockdown has been declared in India since March 25th, year 2020, after the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic. Coronavirus COVID-19 was first detected in the city of Wuhan in China, but within a span of 2 to 3 months, it spread rapidly in different parts of the world. All countries imposing lockdown had to make some strict rules for controlling the disease, like everyone is required to stay indoors or wherever they reside to be safe. One is only allowed to go out of the house for important essential work following all government regulations. If the disease is contagious, precautionary measures like putting a mask on the face, keeping a safe distance between two people, etc., have to be followed outdoors. All public places like markets, malls, schools, colleges, public parks, transport services, rickshaws, taxis, trains, and buses are closed in the lockdown. All kinds of shops and offices of the private sector have to be completely closed. Only a few essential services like hospitals, dispensaries, milk distribution, police department, fire department, banks, post office, telecom, electricity department, CNG, LPG distribution, water department, government cleaning staff, all types of media like television, radio broadcasting, etc. are functional under government norms. If there is some urgent work, citizens can go out of the house only with the permission of government bodies. Like every coin has two sides, even during these difficult times of lockdown, there were some positive aspects observed, like the pollution rate decreased. Air pollution was in control and the environment became clearer and more breathable. As people are enforced to stay at home, families spend time together like never before. People became more acquainted with the importance of hygiene in everyday life. Depending on the current conditions, the government relaxes lockdown step by step in phases in specific areas. And now, the concluding paragraph. Lockdown can have an adverse effect on the economic and social condition of the country and the people, as it can affect the jobs of some people and also cause losses in the work profession. Since all these things are for the security of the citizens and the country, the people are expected to cooperate in such a difficult situation. Let us all pray to God that such a horrifying condition causing lockdown should not arise in the future and people overcome the losses faced. Taking care of self and society as a whole is the prime responsibility of each and every citizen. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Multimedium to get latest updates on new topics. You can also check our channel for Hindi and Marathi languages of the same topic, and also you can find their links in the description below. If you have any suggestion, leave it in the comment section, and also any topic you want us to write a composition on. See you soon with our next topic, that is how I spend my time during lockdown.